To assign a primary resource to an activity, select the activity in the WBS. Then click on the right pointing arrow in the right-hand side panel to expand the activity's properties. From the drop-down list under Primary Resource, select the appropriate resource or responsibility. Close Activities Properties, and now a resource has been assigned to this activity. Alternatively, to assign the same resource to multiple tasks, first select them by using the Select Many button in the ribbon, and then click on the Edit Check Tasks. In the Multi-Edit Tasks window, next to Primary Resource, select Overwrite. Then select the desired resource from the drop-down list and click on Save. Now, you've assigned this resource to all of the selected tasks.